from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. And today, I'm going to show you this amazing development which will awe you with their spaces and high ceilings, giving you great vibes the moment you step in. Let's go! Out of the 16 units in this development, a total of 4 units are available for sale. A 1+1, 2-bedder, 3-bedder and a 4-bedder. This development TOP in year 2022, and these brand new units are looking for their next homeowners. Chiat is defined as a conservation area in the eastern part of Singapore, and the charm in its rich Penarakan heritage. The area is coupled with lots of food selection and local artisans' crafts, which makes this area highly sought after and loved by many. Each level have 4 corner units which allows privacy and comfortable space between homes. Come follow me into this alluring 3-bedder home which could be yours. Both the 3 and 4-bedder are equipped with dry and wet kitchen. The seller have incorporated a chic, modern look with quality furnishings and well thought of areas for each activities to be carried out in comfort. With the interactive open kitchen as the heart of this beautiful home, perfect for the daily family bonding over hearty meals and the regular entertaining when the extended family and friends visit. The luxurious usable space also allow one to return home to serenity and quietness as they step into their haven after a long day at work. All 3 spacious bedrooms are tucked away with comfort because of the usable space, and one will appreciate the quiet surrounding to be woken up to every single morning in this home. With Eunos MRT just minutes away, everything you need is literally at your doorstep. Cafes, coffee shops and retail shops serving your daily needs. Not to mention City Hall MRT is just 6 stations away. Environment-wise, being fronted by Headwalk means you get to take your after-dinner or weekend strolls amidst lush greenery and a beautiful sky. Coming home to this after a long stressful day at work drives away any fatigue or stress that may follow you home. This property has everything you would ask for in a home. It's furnished with quality furnishings and in brand new pristine condition. If you and your extended family are looking for a brand new home, close in proximity, look no further. These brand new units are waiting for you. Call me now at 9180-8680. This is Glenice Toh from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. See you!